Rise of the Resistance time. Let's go.
Mission engaged.
We're doing it. We're going into the secret Resistance base right now. Going, going, going. I just think this is so cool. Very pretty. Guns, blasters, more guns and blasters.
Two, right away.
Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good.
There it is. There's BB-8 up there.
Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. So transport can make the jump.
Our uniform belongs to the First Order. All of you, get out at once and proceed to interrogation. Now, off the ship.
There we go. And they got the TIE fighter right here. I just can't get enough of how cool this is, man. And now we are in the Star Destroyer on our way. I'm not gonna film this whole ride just because me and Jen have done it one other time, and I have a full POV video of that ride in our Hollywood Studios video from that trip. You just have to go back. It's from our, not our last Hollywood Studios trip vlog video, but the one before that. So go check it out if you want to see the full ride, but we will take some footage of this one. There we go. Wait, where are you going? He literally hasn't called us yet. We're on orange, about to go into our interrogation room.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance.
And I will take it from you.
You'll need it on the bridge.
Here we go.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Approved. It goes to the prisoners. Priority. I said down. This does not look conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields. I see no evidence.
Ground crews will meet you outside the ring.
Yeah, right. You're right. I should hope so. Rise of the Resistance. It's so good. Rise of the Resistance was so good. Love it every time.
That's
Make sure to
right.
get those boarding passes. What you gotta do is have the app open and be on the Rise of the Resistance section, like in that app, and just keep refreshing it. And as soon as it switches to like 7 a.m. or 1 p.m., whichever one you're trying to get, you join immediately. That's what you do. There it is. Back in Batu, I just placed a mobile order for docking bay 7 for a moof juice in the cool sipper. And then I also did some food. So Millennium Falcon again. And we're here at Docking Bay 7. Oh, that was cool. I actually have never, ever been in here before. This is super, super cool, dude. I have never been in here before. Look at all this. Yes, I got a chicken dish. I don't remember what it's called. And I also got the moof juice, which is an alcoholic beverage with like a spiced alcohol. I don't remember what kind. And some juice in the cool cup. What I got is right there, that cup. This is so cool. Look at that up there. That's cool. So now we are outside Docking Bay 7 in this really nice little like sitting area.
This is so cool.
So here it is. Here is our food. I forget what it's called. It might be Tip Ya.
Tip ya.
And the cup lights up. This thing is so good.
I just wiped
It's
everything
so
off.
freaking good.
So
And
wet.
it's like spiced. It's a little kick at the end. It's sweet, but it has a little kick at the end. So good. How is it? Good?
It's spicy.
Jen says it's way too hot. She just chugged about half of this water.
That's just so much.
Yeah. I thought it was very good. Definitely a spice aftertaste, but man, this moof juice, it's so sweet, and then it leaves like a slight spice aftertaste. Really, really good. Now it's time to show you inside. It's got the little creature in there, the little froggy in there. So the moof juice doesn't have alcohol. I thought there was an alcoholic version and then a non-alcoholic version, but it's just it's non-alcohol.
It tastes yummy.
Yeah, it's not alcohol at all. So
Thanks for clarifying that, because I was sad I couldn't try
I was
it.
wondering why it was so like it like you didn't taste any alcohol. It's like it's just sweet, had like a slight spice at the end. And that's the only thing that kind of made me think it might have a little alcohol in it, but I was like, man, this thing's like really, really sweet to not have
It was
alcohol.
watered down.
And then when I went in, my sister-in-law got one, and she was like, yeah, it's non-alcoholic. And I looked to see, because some drinks, they will have a non-alcoholic version and an alcoholic version. I just assumed.
Better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
I've been super impressed.
All right, going to do Toy Story Mania. Let's go get some Pop-Tarts. All right, we're back at Toy Story. All right, we're going right here. Gonna see what Pop-Tarts they have. Woody's Lunchbox. They got the grilled cheese sandwich. Let's see. All right, we're at his Lunchbox. We're gonna get some Pop-Tart. All right, we got our Pop-Tart. And we also got the grilled cheese because we heard so many good things about it. And they were also out of the two other flavors. We got the raspberry one, and they're out of the chocolate hazelnut and the lemon blueberry, which we wanted to try. So we got a grilled cheese to make up for it. Fat life. All right, we got the grilled cheese. I didn't know it came with tater tots, but that's okay.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Tell the people. How is it?
It's really good, but
It looks
I make a better grilled cheese at home, honestly. Like, there's nothing like spectacular.
Maybe some sausage Disney.
It was the most popular thing, but
It looks delicious. I am gonna try
it's
it.
really good.
Gooey.
It's really cheesy, which is good. All right, Toy Story Mania time. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
There's just no coming back. Want to play Monopoly? Etch-a-Sketch.
That's it.
Mr. Potato Head. There's four of us. Thank you. They don't even know what's about to go down.
They don't. It's
I'm
gonna
about to
be
beat
awesome.
beat the whole car. I'm gonna beat everybody.
Okay.
I'm getting the highest score out of anybody. We are now entering Andy's bedroom. There they are. I'm not gonna film the actual ride this time. I'm gonna be fully invested in this game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll show the scores afterwards and tell you who won. Alright, I'm getting the red gun. Alrighty, we're here.
And we're ready to party.
That's right. This gun and some scenery for you all. We're in Andy's bedroom. Holy crap! My arm. All right, let's see. We're gonna see. That don't matter. Points matter.
Every time.
I beat you by over
Baby, I know.
55,000.
I know. You beat me every time, but I'll always beat you at accuracy.
That's in the vehicle. Look what that means. I beat everybody.
Look,
That's in vehicle. Not in this vehicle. I don't. So what does that make you? Oh.
Less than average.
If I suck, that means you're like freaking god awful, man.
That was not nice.
Hey, you saw who was best in vehicle, right? Right? Y'all saw that? Y'all said you were gonna win? I remember that.
Oh, yeah.
What was your score, Danica?
Well, all I know is I probably lost.
What was your score?
Like 101 something.
Amateur. Is it amateur hour?
Amateur hour.
Disney has been going all out with their theming, man. All their new areas they've been building, going all out. I really can't wait to see the Ratatouille area when it opens. I really can't wait. I'm definitely gonna have to come back when that opens at Epcot. And we're passing the checkerboard and the popsicle wall. Popsicle sticks. All right, on our way to do Tower of Terror one more time.
I don't know if I
because Danica needs to do it because it's her birthday and Tower of Terror is a classic, so she's gotta do it. There it is. Tower of Terror, there it is. Right there. There it is.
Yeah.
We didn't get to see any of this. We get to go a different way. Yeah.
You're gonna, like...
Are you scared right now? She literally just got done saying, I am so scared
I
right now.
am so scared. Like, good job. Right here, so I can keep you together as a group. I know you too.
You good right now? You good right now?
No.
She's preparing, dude. She's preparing. Oh my god. Alright, Danica, how you feel? I bet you won't ever lose at Toy Story Mania again. That's your punishment. I don't know why, I just think like the side of the building looks pretty cool. Okay, bye to Hollywood Studios. Great day. All right, well that does it for Hollywood Studios Day. It was a great day. We did everything that we wanted to.
Yes, we did, and more.
Yep, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.